Hi everyone, my name is Amanda, and I found this really great website that I want to show you as a resource that you can use for creating really engaging presentations. It's called PowToon.com, and not only would I use this as a college student, but I think even students as young as the elementary grade levels could easily use this website. It's easy to create an account, and then once you're in, it's really easy to navigate too. So I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how simple PowToon is to use, and then all of the different tools and objects that they have available that can create a really awesome presentation. So this is the home page, and you can choose from one of the templates available here. You can choose to create your own blank PowToon and totally customize every aspect of it. Or you can come down here where your PowToons will be saved, and all you have to do is click Edit. So then over here on the left, you'll find your slide navigation bar, and then over here on the right is the tools navigation bar. And then you can click Add to your slide by clicking there. And let's put a different background color on here. There's a lot of different options for backgrounds, so you can just choose a simple color, or then you can upload a picture from your computer. You can use one of their pictures that they have available, like this fox. Or what I think is really cool, if you scroll down a little bit further, there's a videos option, creating a multimedia effect to your presentation. I think that kids would love this cute little penguins video, and I love it too. If you hover over your videos, you get a little preview, and you can choose whatever you like, if it's relevant or if you just think it's really cool. But it's simple and it adds a lot to the presentation. Let's add another slide here, and now I'll show you the characters feature. Right here on the right, characters. Notice real quick that the transitions are really easy to add too. You just click on this symbol right here between the slides, and then there's some fun, engaging ones. Super easy, user-friendly, one click, and you're done. So let's go to the characters. There's a lot of options here as well, and you can choose whatever fits best with your style. What's cool about some of these characters is that they're animated, so it's giving you an even more customized style to your presentation. Let's choose the happy fireman here. And we can also give our firemen some props in the next tab. There's a lot of different options here, hand gestures that point, and continuing down, here under nature tab, we can find some fire. This is again an animated picture, so it's just adding pizzazz to your presentation, creating something really cool. Under here, you'll find shapes and all sorts of different charts and graphs and arrows, speech bubbles that you can use to customize every slide in your presentation. But one of the coolest features on PowToon is the option for sound. So you can add music that they have available to you, or you can add voiceovers. And I think the voiceover option would be really useful for a student who might be nonverbal. They could write a script, and then a parent, an aide, or a friend could read it, and then they're able to communicate exactly what they wanted to say during their presentation in a way that technology has created for them that wasn't available before. To create a voiceover, you simply click on Add Voiceover, and it brings you to this option where you can choose to record from your own laptop, or maybe they had something else available. Click Record. It'll ask you if you want to just do it on the entire PowToon or the current slide, and then you simply press Record. Really simple. One of the aspects that I think kids would really enjoy and think was really fun is under the Specials tab here, and it's the Mini Me option. So if you click on it, you'll find that the characters have space for their faces to be filled in. And I think that kids would think it was really funny to have their face put into a lion or a monkey or whatever character that they want, and they can use that throughout their presentation. So this video was just a quick way to show you all the different tools that PowToon has to offer for creating a presentation. Your students can use this and they can find something that they really like. It can be customized in so many ways. I think that if given a project where kids had to present something to the class, using PowToons could ease a little bit of that anxiety that they might have about presenting, because not only are they making something really cool, but it's letting them show off their creativity as well, and then hopefully they would be excited to present it to the class. This could also show them that presentations don't have to be boring, and PowToons offers a lot of ways to make it really fun. I think that this would be a really great resource to use in your classroom. Thanks for watching.